Let's make a call to action animation. Let's go to Canva and I'll show you what to do. You can go to presentation or video. To make this easy, we're just going to go to presentation because that's going to open up the size that you need. Look over to the left-hand side and go to apps. Type in motion, and there's one called motion text. We're going to click on this. There are a lot of templates that you can use, but the one that we're going to use today is all the way at the bottom, and we're going to click on this one. For today's call to action animation, we're going to do check the description because a lot of times you are going to say check the description for a video, or maybe there's a link in there that you want someone to click. So check the description is a great call to action to have. At the top here, you're going to notice click for excitement. You're going to notice dark background. So you can see one with a transparent background, but it's actually going to upload into Canva with a transparent background. Let's change this to the call to action that we want. Use all caps if you want. Check the description. So now you can see what that would look like. You can actually change the font if you want. We're going to click the down arrow, and there are a lot of fonts here. Let's try Enter Tight. The other thing that you can do is change this to be right aligned or left aligned or in the center. And here, this button will change the spacing. You can change the letter spacing if you want, or the line spacing if you have more than one line. So this might say 4 affiliate links. If we click the spacing, we can reduce the line spacing to make it look a little better. You can change the color and the outline of the word and the color line. This is where having your brand kit set up is very helpful. So maybe I would like to have it for this green color and see what that looks like. And the last thing here is animation options. You can go from the left, which I like that. I'm probably going to use that. The right, I kind of like that too. And then bottom is going to be the opposite. We're going to go to the left, like I mentioned above, and then click Add to Design. It's creating this text animation. Right now, this particular app is free and there are unlimited tries to be able to do this. However, apps frequently change, and sometimes they start off as free and then later they become paid apps. This one has been free and available for a little time as of the time of filming this. So hopefully this one will continue to service the amazing options and be free for us to use. There are 2 ways to put something like this in your video. The first way is by going to Uploads and uploading your video into Canva, or at least the video clip where you want check the description in it, and bring it into Canva. We've got
a video making Cheeto Puffs from a can of chickpeas.
Okay, so we've got Sharon here. She doesn't know that she's going to be in this video, but let's say that she wanted to have a check the description on this video. We brought it in, position it, bring it backwards, and then put this where you would like it. If you need to make edits to this and you don't want it to be green or you don't want it to be white, all you need to do is click the element and click on the word edit. This will bring the app back up and you can change things like this video. You can change the font again, you can change the color. So what if I'm going to click add a new color and go to pick a color. This, by the way, is a Chrome browser, which allows you to pick a color. Now let's say we want to do the top, update design. Now it's going to update the design with the new things that we want. So once you create it one time, you can use that same thing to recreate more options. And I like that a lot. And then what you would do is click share, download, go down to MP4 video, and you can download that clip.
Let's try making Cheeto Puffs from a can of chickpeas.
But the fun part is that all of these go to your library. If I go to the Uploads tab and go under video, I've got thanks for watching, check the description, like this video, check the description. What if you don't want to upload your video into Canva and then download the part? What can you do? There is an option if your video editor allows for GIFs and you have Canva Pro. Click on Share, go to Download, down-click and select GIF and choose Transparent Background, and then you can download that and put that into your video editor. And if you loved this, you're really going to love the subscribe icon animation that I came up with. Watch this next to check that out, and I'll see you next time. Bye.